Russia is considering a unique strategy to combat its declining birth rate with the proposed establishment of a Ministry of Sex. This move, part of a broader plan by President Vladimir Putin's administration, reflects the nation's urgent efforts to counterbalance population decline amid the ongoing Ukraine war and rising mortality rates. Headed by Nina Ostanina, a staunch Putin supporter and chairperson of the Russian Parliament's Family Protection Committee, the proposed ministry is under review and accompanied by various controversial policies. The context behind this initiative is Russia's current demographic crisis, with birth rates now at their lowest since 1999. The Ukraine conflict has compounded the issue, and while migration has slightly mitigated the decline, the Kremlin regards the situation as a pressing threat to national stability. A growing population is seen as critical to sustaining social welfare programs and workforce productivity, and Russia's declining numbers have driven the government to propose some highly unconventional measures. One such proposal includes a no-distraction period, where the internet and household lights would be shut off between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., in hopes of encouraging couples to spend this time more intimately. Financial incentives are also on the table. Mothers who stay at home to raise children would be compensated, with these years counting toward their pensions, in an attempt to add an economic incentive for family growth. Additionally, the state could fund people's first dates, offering around 5,000 rubles, approximately $50, to support budding relationships. Wedding nights may even be subsidized with government-sponsored hotel stays, promoting procreation in newlywed couples. However, Russia's approach has raised concerns about privacy, as recent initiatives in Moscow have involved asking female public sector workers for personal details related to sexual activity and reproductive health. This extensive data collection has stirred debate about the government's intrusion into personal lives, particularly as workers are reportedly pressured to disclose this information. Russia's strategies may appear drastic. However, they underscore a demographic concern shared by many nations, including Japan, South Korea, and parts of the West, where declining birth rates are driven by economic pressures and shifting social values. While Russia's challenges are amplified by the war's toll on young lives and national resources, its bold and invasive methods highlight the diverse, often contrasting ways countries tackle population issues in the face of complex social, economic, and political pressures.